It is a beautiful day at Horns Hill in Newark, Ohio. This is my brand new Trek Rail 9.7. I just picked this bike up 2 weeks ago thanks to my good buddy Matt at the Trek factory store in Selma Road in Dublin, Ohio. This is my first ride on it. First time I've gotten it out onto the trails. I've got the 9.7 has got the carbon frame. I had a Rail 5. And I really liked it, but the bike was a size large. I'm 6'2". I like having a little bit bigger spacing, so this is an extra large, and it just fits me better. About a 495 reach, still has the nice short chain stays. I think they're 447, and I really like Trek has the low bottom brackets, about 337. I run the min link in the slack position, but carbon fiber, it's a little bit lighter. This is cool too. It's assembled in the United States. The performance Bosch CX motor is excellent. So small, compact, tight in there. It's got a very basic suspension set, Deluxe, Rockshox Deluxe Select Plus, and just the Yari forks, 35 stanchions. But I like that. It just makes it lighter, livelier, and a little bit more playful. So this Bosch motor is a winner. I totally dig it. I'm on the Greenhorn Trail here, which I like a lot, and let's just take her down. One of the things I really like about this bike is to me it's my e-mountain bike that feels like an acoustic bike. With the 29-inch wheels, it just rolls so effortlessly, and it feels light. I think it's actually about 49 pounds maybe, but 625 watt hour battery, which is plenty for what I do. Basic spec Shimano brakes do everything I need, and even this basic suspension spec is really good for me. I'm not fast, I'm not hitting anything super hard. I got some other bikes that feel more moto-y, but this one just feels solid. It's like an acoustic, so playful and light. And the Bosch motor is powerful. I love the Bosch. You got 4 different settings. Pretty much running on turbo because it's a super efficient motor. It lasts, goes as far as I need it to go, and it's got smooth power. It's quiet. I got no rattles going on. Totally digging this bike. So Trek Rail 9.7 assembled in the USA. It's got the Project One paint job. It changes color in the light, but very basic suspension spec, super lively handling. This is XL. I'm 6'2", 190 pounds. I like being spread out a little bit more. 495 reach. This bike really works. I totally dig it. Yeah, and it's got the rib. Can remove the battery, which is nice because I hang my bikes up in the garage, and makes them a lot lighter to pick up. Plus shipping the bike. So anyhow, 2 big thumbs up.